AC Corporation is a full-service mechanical contractor that's served the Carolinas since 1935. We specialize in HVAC, plumbing, piping, fabrication, service work for commercial, industrial, institutional, and government clients.
We do backflow. We actually do testing, rebuilding, and replacing. To have people know that you're like, oh man, I can get all this done in one place.
We have a service maintenance division, which is our typical HVAC support to industrial and heavy commercial companies. We have MEP services, mechanical, electrical, and plumbing division that provide design build solutions to companies, help to install HVAC services. And finally, we have a heavy duty fabrication and manufacturing sector where we provide large-scale equipment to a variety of companies.
We have multiple locations and a large amount of resources that we could pull from, and we work with a variety of supply houses and vendors, and we're going to source top quality parts to do a job and do it correctly and successfully.
The product that you get is not going to break. You don't have to come and do rework. If we give you a quote, we're going to meet the quote, and we're not going to try and change order you.
AC Corporation has a reputation for delivering quality work safely and on time, and that we've done that for nearly 9 decades.
If you're honorable, do the correct thing, and you're profitable in that order, that really kind of ties everything together.